Here we are in the heart of Maremmana, on the coast of Tuscany. A beautiful area full of vegetation, trees, beautiful sand, sea, beautiful blue skies every day. This experience is very important for the children because it helps them to become independent to a certain extent. They come here, they have to look after their own rooms. They have to make sure that everything's kept tidy. They are responsible for the things they have. They also have to socialize with not just children they know from the schools, but also with children who come from different areas, different backgrounds. And within 2 days, everybody is friendly with everybody. So it's a good opportunity for them to be exposed to something completely different from the holiday with mum and dad, or the typical, perhaps even the Boy Scouts. Here we have a lot of activities and the English at the same time. So that's what makes it a little bit extra special. This camp is especially particular because we speak only in English here. So it's a full immersion English camp. The children obviously have a certain level of experience in English, especially from kindergarten. But even children who come from other schools are invited to come here. And the teachers here, we are only mother tongue English speakers. So even if they don't understand, they are helped out by the other children who can help them. It's like, what did they say? Or they can help each other. So it's a good time for the children to socialize. Starting from 3 years old. We talk in English and in Italian every day. So they are continuously exposed to the English language, not just from the teachers, but also from other students. And starting from an early age on, of course, they pick it up straight away. And they help each other out also when somebody doesn't understand. We work together to make this happen for children from the ages between 8 and 12 years old. They come here to experience back to nature, to get their feet dirty, their hands dirty, to splash each other, to enjoy themselves, to become independent from mum and dad. The sports activities are fantastic for social skills, for learning fair play, learning how to lose also, which is something very difficult for young children nowadays. But the combination of playing, sports and being together with other children, you see the progress they make throughout the week, and that gives you an immense pleasure seeing how much they grow within just 5 days. And then, of course, when it's time to go home, and we have a good sing-along walking through the trees, we all sing together and we have lots of fun.